they often flag misuse of money or kind of suspicious uses of money, etc. So paano ginamit yung AI doon sa pag-imbestiga o pagsuri ng mga Commission on Audit reports?
Doon sa ginawa niyang tool, ang naging malaking tulong noon ay sa paghahanap ng leads, ano. So pwede kang magtanong na yun nga, ano ang key findings from this particular Commission on Audit report. Now, obviously, of course, for journalists, it doesn't mean na kung ano man yung ilabas ng tool ay yun na yung ating ire-report. Pero palagay ko ang laking bagay noon na as opposed to reading the entire thing, which ideally, no, sana ganun nga, but alam din naman natin na very technical siya. Ang laking bagay nung may pagsisimulan tayo na lead. So for example, I was looking into Marikina City's Commission on Audit report. One of my students nung previous semester, they were looking at yung use of special education fund. So when we tried the tool, lumabas nga na yon, mukhang may issue doon sa special education fund doon sa Marikina City. So doon sa proseso, nakatulong siya sa paghahanap ng story. Tapos yung time mo na i-google sa paghahanap ng story, now ngayon pwede mo siyang gamitin para mas i-analyze anong nangyari doon sa paggamit ng Special Education Fund in Marikina City. Ayan.
Okay, so this COA assistant, that's what J. Mark has been calling it, or that's what you referred to it as, no? It's in the public domain. I mean, it's free. I mean, kung may nakikinig ngayon na journalism student or anyone who wants to try out the tool, it's just out there, no? It's a search lang, and makaka-access ang tao.
It's just out there. When we were using it for the Marikina COA report, yung language nung assistant on the conclusive side. So of course, as journalist, medyo tayo doon, dapat mag-iingat because we haven't even seen the record itself, at ano yung pinagbasihan noong COA assistant. So siguro yun nga, we know that this is public, pero si J. Mark Tordesillas rin naman very mindful din siya na yun nga, pagka gagamitin, of course, we also have to check the original file,
Yeah, and laging may reminder din, no, from media organizations na there should always be human overview. Don't
Right.
let AI do all of the work tapos ipapasa na lang natin sa publiko, no? I mean, kaya assistant lang yan. It's supposed to just assist us. So whatever conclusions it has, tama ka, we should be skeptical, we should question it. And we should come up with our own conclusion. Maybe aligned with the inputs of AI, pero dapat galing sa sarili natin utak din yun.
Kaya yung verification ay hindi pa rin dapat mawala. Sa UP, we invited him to speak about yung COA assistant at naging importanteng punto rin yung pinag-usapan namin ng shortcuts. Kasi obviously for us journalists, bago dumating si COA Assistant, which is this AI tool, we've been able to experience yung talagang nagbabasa ng COA report.